Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. So today we are in the street. We're going to the supermarket. Remember, the supermarket is one of the most contaminous places where you can go. So make sure if you are going to the supermarket, you bring your own bag so you don't have to be touching the regular cart that they use in the supermarket. As you can see, today we have the mask. Using that brand new filter that I will show you how to take the filter off and on. This is how you remove the filter, pulling from here, and this, there you go. There's the fan. So placing the filter once again, and there you go. Q7 face mask, and feeling good. So the
Thank you for joining. Please subscribe and like this video. See you next time.